Okay, I've got my copy of Pro 2019 open, and I drew a shape of a house similar to what your images that you posted. And now I'm going to take the railing tool and draw in that covered porch. I've got auto build roofs on. You can see. Let me show you. It's not that distinct. It added a little bit of a line here. The automatic roof generator did. Let me go to vector view. It's easier to see. Well, it's not that. Turn the color off. There we go. We created this extra valley here. We don't want that. So how do you get rid of that? It's going to take this wall and use the center tool to center it on that wall. So you got a little bit smaller. I'm going to use the arrow key on my keyboard and move it to the right 1 inch. I got rid of it. I've still got a little bit of a line here, but you get the idea. That's just automatically generated. Now to get your gable, I'm going to go to the build menu, roof, gable line, and I'm going to draw a gable line, left click drag. And I think we're part the way there. Yeah, so we got this extra little piece here. We got the gable. This needs to be flattened out some. I'm just going to take this wall and move it 1 click to the right. Bingo. I think that's what you were showing in your drawing. A covered porch with a gable into a main hip roof system. To finish this porch up, I'm going to go to these 2 walls here and shift select open them. And you may or may not want railing, but what I'm going to do is go to the rail style tab and turn the railing off. You can kind of see it develop here in this little graphic here. And then get rid of these check boxes here. So it's just a couple of posts and a rail, and make it post to beam. And then I'm going to get rid of the top rail. And now I've got post to beam. Now I'm going to go over to newels and balusters while I've still got this selected, and change this to 4x4s, 3.5 inches. But that ought to be pretty much finish it up. If you don't want this post here, you just click on the wall, go to newels and balusters, and increase this spacing on the baluster, newel post. You get a big figure, and it'll get rid of the center post. Okay, I think that's what you're looking for, and it's real simple. If you're not familiar with the software, it could be kind of daunting, but it's not real difficult. I'm sure you can get it figured out. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.